Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We are looking at Vinco Ventures today, and the date is Tuesday, August 31st, 2021. And right now we are actually seeing a short squeeze just beginning. Vinco Ventures opened quite low today. It has popped yesterday actually, and so you can see from this graph around August 26th, which was last week Thursday, that's when it actually began its incredible run. Back then, just a couple of days ago, it was trading at about $2.93, and then it ran up to $9.09 before dropping down to about $6 on August 31st, which is today. Already it's about to pop up, and you can see it's going up. Over the past 5 days, it's gone up 133%, and for today it has gone up just about 1 percentage point. But do remember that at a certain point today it was trading as low as $5.58. So if we look at more information about this stock, you can see that it's actually one of a couple of short squeeze candidates, which you can see here on your screen. Let me zoom out a little bit. So according to Investor Place, which is a paper that tracks, an online publication that tracks the stock market, the top short squeeze stocks for the first week of September are reportedly support.com, which has a whopping short interest of 67%. The next is Vinco Ventures with the ticker symbol BBIG, which is the one I am talking about right now, and it has a crazy short interest of 27%. Of course, you have Lightning E-Motors with the ticker symbol ZEV, Bit Mining with the ticker symbol BTCM, and Mediaco Holding with the ticker symbol MDIA. So Vinco Ventures with the ticker symbol BBIG is actually listed on the Nasdaq exchange, and the company, as you can see right here, as of August 13th, which is the last reported date for the short interest, you can see that the short interest was at about 11 million, with an average daily share volume trading hands of about 5 million. And if we come back to this graph, let's try to refresh and see where we're at. It dropped back a little bit, but you can see already there's some significant movement in the price. It just moved from $6.52 to $6.91, all within the space of about 10 minutes. So the short squeeze is coming as we pull slowly to the end of today's trading session. Here we can see again on Google. Let's try to refresh and see what it says. So it's showing that we are down 2.41%, and the stock price is about $6.89. But the way I look at this graph, I think the short squeeze is actually imminent. If you are thinking of getting on this bandwagon, this might be your last opportunity before it takes off. But again, do your due diligence, determine if this stock is for you. Actually, what's happening here is everybody is waiting for a short squeeze. When the squeeze actually begins, nobody can predict. When the squeeze stops, nobody can predict. So look at your investment profile, and if you think that this is something that might be of interest to you, then by all means jump right on. This might be a very good opportunity before the stock actually takes off. So BBIG, big price movements over the past 10-15 minutes, and it's an excellent short squeeze candidate according to investorplace.com. So here is the news from Vinco Ventures. Here's their website, and the only thing I find here is that Vinco Ventures Inc. executed an agreement to complete a plan of merger with Zash. Apart from that, in other news, it came on August 23rd, 2021. You can see that Vinco Ventures reported the financial results for the second quarter, which ended on June 30th, 2021. That's all what I have for news concerning Vinco Ventures, but the short actually thought this is a company that would fail, so they shorted the stock. As you can see, that price movement is actually very imminent. The price is actually up again from the few minutes that we just left. Right now it is at $6.94, down just about 2 percentage points for the day. So guys, ladies, check your investment profiles, check your portfolio, and if you think this is something you might want to add a little bit of and take part in the price action, you are more than welcome to do so. This might be your opportunity before the price takes off and heads to the moon. Anyways, that's what I had to share with you guys, and I myself, full disclosure, I just moved some of my investments from Hood to Vinco Ventures because the return on here seems to be much more substantial. I actually lost quite a bit on Hood. So good luck guys, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow and we will be sitting on the moon. This is not financial advice, just one guy looking at a stock that he loves and talking about it. Good luck and see you guys later.